The worsening effects of climate change are clear. Record-breaking global temperatures, droughts, wildfires, floods, plus much more. To secure a habitable future, the global economy must significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 and reach net zero by 2050. To achieve this, the private sector must take ambitious action and cut emissions fast. Setting emissions reduction targets and having them validated by the Science Based Targets Initiative, or SBTi for short, gives companies confidence that their targets are in line with limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. At the SBTi, we define the minimum ambition necessary for businesses to play their part to reach the goals of the Paris Agreement. We also encourage and enable the most ambitious companies to cut emissions deeper and faster than the minimum requirements. Thousands of companies and financial institutions worldwide have already set science-based emission reduction targets and are leading the transformation to a net zero global economy. Visit the SBTi website to take your first steps towards setting science-based targets and having them validated by the SBTi. Companies and financial institutions can set and submit science-based targets in 4 steps. First, you'll need to develop a greenhouse gas inventory of all Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions. The Greenhouse Gas Protocol provides valuable resources to help you calculate your total emissions and understand which categories they belong to. Then it's time to choose the right target setting guidance for your business. Almost every company can use our sector agnostic method, called the absolute contraction approach. In addition, the SBTi has developed sector-specific guidance for heavy emitting industries, including buildings, maritime, steel, transportation, forest, land, and agriculture, or FLAG, finance, and more. Each sector guidance document is tailored to the unique context of the industry to ensure targets are ambitious and achievable. After selecting the right guidance, use the SBTi's target setting tools to develop your science-based targets. These show how much and how quickly your business must cut emissions to be aligned with the goals of the Paris Agreement. Finally, submit your science-based targets to the SBTi for validation. Our team of target analysts will carefully review your submission. If the target meets our criteria, it will be validated as in line with science and published to our website. This process can be used to develop near-term targets or net zero targets, which include both near and long-term targets. Along each step of the way, the SBTi has all the resources you need, from our Getting Started guide all the way to our final submission forms. Begin today by visiting our website and committing to set science-based targets.